Welcome, guys. I'm really excited about today. What is Bitcoin going to do next? Oh, man, we're going to go over some news. We're going to go over some TA. We're going to go over some predictions. What's happening with XRP? Really excited about it, as well as we're going to go into some new videos on segments on trading some stock. We might take a look at a couple of different stocks that our team has been trading. If you want to trade with us, send us an email at Wealth Building Group. Our Wealth Building Group Telegram, its email is in the description below. We're really excited about more people want to come in with this opportunity of this baby boomer outlook trading game. We are in 8 years experience. I'm trading it with an amazing academy as well for brand new people who want to come on to the academy and learn and earn at the same time. Got a community of support with you while you learn the basics. You can also be in our Telegram, and you can be on our YouTube channel, and you can be riding with us, riding the wave with us. And we're going to do a segment on that coming up this week as well, to give you all of the information that is pertinent to your elevation in this space. Also, our disclaimer is in the description below as well. Trading is risky, so you definitely want to make sure that you are using proper risk management. We are not giving out any financial advice, but we're really excited about the information, knowledge, and wisdom that has been attained, so we can just give it out. Give it out. We want you to be free and want you to help build this community, our brand new YouTube page. So subscribe, like the bell, turn on the notifications so you know when we went live. We went live earlier today. And I tell you, it was amazing. Let's go ahead and turn on our charts here. See if we can turn on our charts. There we go. We got our charts. Let me put this over here. And let's go ahead into the deal right now. Right now, you're looking at Ethereum. We called Ethereum. Ethereum was an amazing trade. We had an optimal sale at the top of 3,000. If it ever got to 3,000, you can see it had been in this channel, this ascending channel, and we were buying from the bottom. We bought from the bottom around 16, a little bit lower, 16 area. We have some people who got at 17, but that was really, and we're still holding on that as well. But we may get another discount. We may get another discount for what's taking place because Ethereum has come up out of this channel. Okay, this is on the daily. If we look at it on the lower time frame, you can see that it has broken through our support area. Okay, and now two things can happen. We could either get price to come back and test this channel, test this resistance, and then continue to come back down. And that's probably what I would like to see. Why? Because we're already in this trade. We are in this trade. The Wealth Building Telegram group, the team is already in this trade. I'm going to show you how we got into this trade, Ethereum. And I wanted to show you this first before we got to the news. So let's go ahead and look at the trade, Ethereum trade. As you can see, we've been in this trade since 2470, 2,470. We call this trade on the 4-hour. As you can see, it at one time was a bullish flag. At one time, it was a bullish flag. It topped out at 27,130, and it was in a bullish flag. We've got amazing impulsive move to the top. It went semi-parabolic and then came into this flag, but it kept descending, and got below our 50. It got below our haul, and price just continued to sink. You know what happened? ETFs came out, and we know all about the ETFs. Yes, at ETFs, man, big institutions, Grayscale, BlackRock, they were all buying years ago. They were buying at 1600, and so their investors had to get paid, and that's we kind of knew that was going to happen, that there was going to be a major sell-off. So now that they're selling off, we're getting back to a point now where price is going to be reversing. And so I'm looking at a potential buy opportunity as well, because we pretty much have eaten this up, okay, ladies and gentlemen. We've pretty much eaten this up. We've got about 6.95% profit in this trade. Super excited for those on the team who stay with this as we come down to this trend line here. Now, this is going to be a make it break it area right here, but I'm sure that we could probably get a nice bounce once it come here, and we could get on a lower time frame and find a buy entry. So I'm going to be talking about that. I'm going to be dropping that information in our Telegram group. Make sure if you do want that information that you apply to the email that you want to get the information on how to get into our Telegram group. All right, let's look at Bitcoin real quick. You can see Bitcoin right now. Definitely, we took the Bitcoin. We had three opportunities. We took all three opportunities for these entries in Bitcoin, starting all the way up at about 42,700 area when Bitcoin broke out of this ascending channel here as well. We saw less volume coming into the market, and we started to see a seller's push. We started to see a seller's push and buyer's exhaustion. In other words, people had to get paid. People had to get paid, and Bitcoin sold off at about 40. I say about 40. I want to say 49, close to 49, 48, 76, 7, and went back into the channel and then broke out. And I believe on the 4 hour, it gave us a nice, beautiful retest, and we were able to get into this trade after this double top, as you can see here, and then we were able to get into this trade here. Okay, and then we were able to get in this trade here, and then we were able to get in this trade here. So overall, ladies and gentlemen, with Bitcoin trading here with us in the wealth building group, we've already ate up over 2,439 pips, and our goal is to come all the way down to 3,800. Yeah, we're believing 3,800 will be an area to watch. Our TP here is about a little bit over 1,000 pips. Okay, it's about 1,400 pips. We're going to swing all the way to TP2. So we may we may create, maybe this was our lower, and we may create a lower high and then come on back down and finally break this support. Because when we look at it on the daily, we've got multiple touches already. And there's a technique that we look at, is that 3 touches in the same area, fourth touch is a breakout. So we may be looking for this breakout to happen in the next couple of days. Okay, so obviously if Bitcoin does break that, we're going to ride it all the way down into the zone around 38, and this will be the make it break it area, as everybody's talking about the 31 area. And I'm telling my whole team right now, make sure that you are setting up your buy limits on the exchanges. There is an exchange that I am about to start using, and this exchange is called CoinW. We're going to start using this exchange here, where we can 10x, 25x, 50x, 100x. We're going to make sure we're going to trade with caution. But I have been looking at this. A good person I follow, Da Vinci David, just started using this particular exchange is where people in the United States, you can use this exchange. There's full KYC as well. 4 different verifications on how you can actually deposit money in here. So I think I'm on my second one and I'm ready to go. And I'm going to do this live. I'm going to take my first trade on this exchange live. So you're going to want to be here to watch this and go in the market if you choose to. Okay, so this is going to be really, really, really awesome. Let's go ahead and flip to some of the news here. I'm really betting on XRP. How many of you guys got some XRP? Look, Gemini, the light of Gemini's recent interest in XRP, some members of XRP community are pondering the likelihood of a major development. Gemini redirects its focus to XRP starting yesterday, suddenly invading the asset in multiple posts. As you can see right here on X. Ooh, excited about XRP, meaning something's coming. Something is coming. As anticipated, prominent figures within the XRP community have shared the views on what they believe the exchange might have in store. Let's go ahead and look at XRP and where XRP is. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at XRP because there's nothing wrong with having some XRP. As you can see right now, XRP has broke the support at 55 cents. And if we look at this, it also broke that trend line on the at a higher time frame that we were believing that we were just going to mark up and it was going to walk this trend line and break this triangle pattern here. Okay, we didn't get that. So now we're looking for an entry, and this would be an amazing entry to get here if you can get some positions right around 48 cents. Right around 48 cents, that would be good. That way we can see a nice bounce come back down since we do have support there. We have a wick there, and see if we can get XRP to bounce back up. So we will definitely put that signal for those who want that, who want some more XRP. We're going to go ahead and put that signal in the wealth building chat as well. All right, some other news. Let's check out First Movers America's Bitcoin slips over 15% since ETF approval. Duh! Yeah. Look, guys, there's an old saying that I learned in business: success leaves clues, but you've got to go look for the clues. You know, all of the information that we once said that one could use to be successful is in the book, but you got to open the book. You got to open the book. You seek and you find. And in this space, quietly for over 3 to 4 years, these big institutions have been literally buying Bitcoin. Yeah. And in the media, they have been flipping the narrative to a way that would stop you from buying Bitcoin or scare you from buying Bitcoin. We're going to show you how the Wall Street cheat sheet works, because it all deals with the mind. Okay, and so that is something that would scare someone that says, wow, Bitcoin slips, should I be buying it? Well, if you were buying it when it was at 16K, you would be doing the same thing. And so what we've got to do now is help our team and our community understand that, for what, most of what the media is saying, do the opposite. Flip it and do the opposite, and buy the fear and sell the greed. That's right. Buy the fear and sell the greed. So where is Bitcoin going now? It is setting up, right, for one of the biggest discounts that we've had in a long time. It's going to slowly get to where it needs to be, that once we get to the halving, okay, which was pushed back in May, okay, uh, Bitcoin's going to be down here. If you ever seen the rainbow chart, this is the time to be accumulating, accumulating on your exchanges, putting it in your your hard drive when it comes to crypto. There's a lot of different hard drives for crypto that you want to get, and we'll start naming some. Don't get Ledger though; they gave away their keys, so now the government can go in there and take your money. So you want to have a hard wallet. You want to have a hard wallet where you can store some your crypto, most of your crypto, all of your crypto, right? And don't give nobody your keys. That's an off-topic information, but Bitcoin could be going in a place where we've wanted to see it go, but it may not go where everybody's saying it's going. So there's a couple different ways we can look at it that we can see where Bitcoin's going to go. We're going to be talking that on another session as well. But buy the fear, sell the greed, and whatever the media says, you do the opposite. You do the opposite. All right. ETFs, Bitcoin to surge in 6 months. Well, that's good news. As investor pivots from grayscale to new ETFs, Galaxy's Digital, how do you pronounce that? Novogratz says. So yeah, there are going to be more companies believing that they're going to be approved for ETFs. And behind the scenes right now, what do you think is happening? They're buying, they're buying, they're buying. And they're getting discounts. I heard that people were getting 40% discounts on Bitcoin before the ETFs came out. Can you imagine the type of profits that were made when they started to sell? Bitcoin's price should go higher in 6 months because investors divesting their Grayscale Bitcoin Trust holding would switch to other exchanges traded funds, ETFs, according to Galaxy Digital's CEO. Navigratz made this statement in response to the bearish outlook presented by BTC Data Corporation founded partner Chris J. Terry, who predicted the short-term downturn for BTC during the substance selling pressure of the GBT. Duh, yes. People are taking their profits and now they're looking for other places to put, you know, their profits. Okay, spread the wealth. They're looking to spread the wealth. So why would Bitcoin will go higher? Well, Novogratz countered this view, noting that while investors are divest their GBT holdings, they are likely to invest in other ETFs. That's what we're saying. It's like us. It's like, okay, if you make money in Bitcoin, you take some of your profits, but you take some of your profits and you put them in altcoins. Now you got to pick the right altcoins, right? And when altcoin season, which it started in October, we're really going to see some things happening with altcoins. But then now, and then you make money with your altcoins, and what do? You buy more Bitcoin. So that's all that they doing. They flipping. It's like flipping a house, ladies and gentlemen. It's like flipping a house. And so I'm looking forward to this dip that Bitcoin is going to do. And I am really excited about that. So we are in this sale. Stay in this sale. Really excited about this sale here with Bitcoin. And let's see if we get a nice little pullback and see if we break 40K. We break 40K, we're coming down to 38K. And we will let everybody know in the wealth building group. And here's our discount. This is a discount where everybody's saying 31 come. So I would not just put a limit order at 31. I would be putting limit orders all throughout, the bottom part of these zones here, starting anywhere from 34. Little investments here till you get to your major, where you believe your major move is going to happen. And this is, I don't put your whole house in there, but this is an area where everybody's talking. As you can see, I got my TP at 32,726, so not at 31. Okay, so we're gonna ride it, continue to ride it, and we're going to be very, very, very excited and happy about what profits are going to be created, and to help them diversify and to help them use their profits into other projects and real estate and all types of other their goals, their dreams, why they're doing what they're doing. We might have a session on a call called "Why Are You Trading? Why are you investing?" That's going to be cool. We're going to have some people. We're going to have some average people that are tapped into the Bitcoin space, and we're gonna have a conversation. So don't miss that. Matter of fact, what we probably do is we'll do a nice little cool video of all of the things we're gonna be talking about, in a month. Or we can get it done soon enough. We can do it even by this month. This month we can have the rest of the month of some of the things that we're going to be focusing on. We want you guys to be a part of it. Subscribe, notification bell, like, okay, and share and share and share and share. Let's talk about a stock that I gave out a while ago, and then we'll end it with that. Okay, everybody knows about Tesla. Everybody knows about Tesla. It's in the NASDAQ industry here. And I believe it is time. That's right. It is time. It is time to get some more Tesla. Right now, it's about 210 a share. And let me show you when we started buying Tesla. We started buying Tesla. Yeah, we took profits. We took profits. Yeah, we bought Tesla way down here when it was $98 a share. That's right. Back in January, we bought Tesla in the wealth building group. It was posted to buy Tesla. It gave us a nice, beautiful flag. We could have bought some more at 165, and it went all the way up to almost 300. It did go 300 a share. We took profits at about 254, and now it's been consolidating in this area here. And I really believe that we're going to see a major, major move where we're going to get to almost 400 a share. Yeah, yeah, because it was there before. Look left. Look left. It was already there before. And I believe that we're going to go there again. So this would be an amazing time for people, even if you wanted to buy um, in, bits and pieces of a share. You can get in there and you can get you a position. All that counts. All that counts. So this was one. We did have Celsius. We'll have a stock session all about stock. We'll go on Bluebird and we'll make it happen for you. So again, I'm so excited for you guys. Thanks for coming on to our brand new channel. Let's help build it up. We're getting a few views. Let's get some more subscribers. Let people know, especially if you know they're trading, that they have an opportunity. Come on and get some nuggets, get some free game here in Investopia Worldwide. I'm Dr.